Nevada Ready presents Putting the Pieces of the Data Puzzle Together with Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a web-based interactive video and formative assessment tool that allows teachers to engage every student one video at a time. Teachers can embed questions within a video from YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, your own video, and more. Edpuzzle also allows you to search their site for videos with questions already embedded that you can use. To access these videos that already exist, you will click on Curriculum over on the left-hand side. Then you will be able to search by grade level, so elementary school, middle school, or high school. You can pick the specific topic that you would like to cover, and also the different level at which your students are at.
Teachers gain valuable data from Edpuzzle's gradebook related to student progress and understanding. Inside the gradebook, you can see when a student watched a video, how many times a section is watched, what answers the student has submitted, and how long they spent on the task. This information can help you analyze how much effort your students made. If a student is rewatching the lesson to get a better grade, the total time spent will be higher. You can also dig down into individual student data or data on each question. If you click on any student's name, you'll get an individual report. You'll see the total score, the total time spent, and their progress for each assignment. This report is ideal if you want to have a one-on-one meeting with a student. To mark questions and provide feedback for open-ended questions, each question will be shown with the ability to add a grade and a comment on the right-hand side of each question. To see an overview of how all students answered a question, go back to your gradebook, click on a specific assignment, click on the Questions tab, then click on the question you want to view. And all the student responses will be listed. By tracking this data, teachers can better understand where students are and where they need to go next, helping teachers to differentiate their instruction to meet students' needs. To download information from the gradebook to use in your school reports, go to your gradebook and then simply click Export Gradebook. You'll get a CSV that you can open using Excel, Google Sheets, or even upload to your online school gradebook. Once you have the CSV, to upload it to Google Drive, open up Google, open up your Google Drive, select New, and then select File Upload. This will allow you to choose your document on your desktop or in your Downloads folder, wherever you put it. Once imported, you can open it with Google Sheets.
Once you have your data in a Google Sheet, you are able to organize the data and color code it so you can easily see who is passing each assignment and who is failing. To have the Google Sheet color code automatically for you, you go up to Format and you will click Conditional Formatting. When you click Conditional Formatting, over on the right-hand side, a window will pop up where you'll be able to select the data range. To select the data range, you can simply click and drag to highlight the data, and then click OK. Underneath Format Rules, you can select when you would like it to highlight the data. So for example, if you want to do a certain percentage, you could do greater than or equal to, and say 60% for passing, and then select the color or what you would like it to do to the text under Formatting Style, and you can select green for passing and click Done. If you'd like to add another rule, maybe for color coding a different color for those assignments that were failed, you can select the data range if it's different, or here I have it already set. Under Format Rules, I will go to less than 60%, and I would like that color to be red. Then you can click Done and X out the formatting rules. Then you will notice on your data sheet that now you have assignments that are passing in green and assignments that are failing in red. In a Google Sheet, you also have the ability to share it with another teacher or an administrator for extra support by clicking on the Share button on the top right-hand corner. Once you click Share, you are able to type in their email and share that Google Sheet with them, so that way they can log in and access the student data and further support you.